today we're going to be doing another YouTube channel about BB guns. As you saw in my last video, we're jumping off a roof, me and my cousin. 2 videos actually, but you guys haven't seen the second one. It says no views. Please view it. Please, please. And on the first one, please. I need them. And today we're going to be doing a BB gun war. BB gun thing with the BB gun and BBs, and this is going to be how to reload quicker, and how to put your mags quicker for the round. And we're going to be working with this. A shotgun with a scope. It had a light, but I took it off because it's in my style. And yeah, we're going to be working with this, and 2 packs of ammos. And yes, it does come with it. You just gotta buy the full pack of it. And it's about like 25, 26, I'm not sure, but around there somewhere. And then we're gonna be needing one of these. I don't know what they're called, but try to see if you can get one of these. Look at that. Up here, I don't know what it's called or something. We're gonna be using these. If you can see them closely. Right there, 5,000 cams. Okay, so we're gonna be taking the lid off this. Remember, there's a screw in here, and it's like right here, but I took it off so we can get access to it. So then we take this thing, I don't know what it's called, we put it on top, and I don't know if it can just be this one, but just put it on top and get your mag, I guess. Okay, now get this, and yes, it won't fall off, and just keep dumping, and just keep dumping, and it will get stuck sometimes, and then just go like that. It's gonna go slow. And you'll see it when it gets higher. So, yeah, working on this today, and just keep going. Just press on it when you think you have like no more space, and then when you're done, just press, and then you have room for more, and then just press, and then close. Then you can see when it gets split up, you can't hear as much. Now get your access ones, the one that fell out, put them all the way in here, and then when you're done, take this off, put this on, and then you put this over here, and you do the same thing with this, but I don't have it yet. I'll do that in a little bit. And you have one good, and then when you're in a war, or a BB gun war, you just get your mag. It has a hole in the bottom, you can see a BB, and if you push down, I think it was, push down and then shake it like really fast, and then make sure you tilt it forward, and then there it is, you have it, it's right there. And then so that when you put it in your shotgun, you just put it there, and you're ready to go. See you. Subscribe. Thank you. Likes, thumbs up, and thank you, and bye. Bye-bye.